Hello guys, I am Manju. Today we are going to learn conjunction words. So very easy and very simple. Let's see. The first one is if, என்றால், and, மற்றும், so, அதனால், but, ஆனால், or, அல்லது, for, அதற்காக, ஆக, till, வரைக்கும், whether, இரண்டில் எதுவாயினும், while, பொழுது, unless, இல்லாவிடில். The first one is if, and, so, but, or, for, till, whether, while, unless. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and families. Okay, so thank you guys. We will see the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Bye, your Manju, and have a nice day. Bye.